national company is working with two Vermont farms to offer people a chance to rent, wait for it, chickens. Rent the Chicken works with local farms across the U.S. to offer opportunities for people to have their own chickens without the long-term commitment. ABC 22's Jordan Barber visited one of the participating farms. She reports tonight from Greensboro.
Ever dreamed of renting your own chickens for the summer? Well, here at the small family farm in Greensboro, you can. Laura Hill loves chickens, but never imagined she'd be renting them. 5 years ago, Hill's 14-year-old son Warren connected with the owner of Rent the Chicken, a growing national program dedicated to the rental chicken business. Hill says her son fell in love with the idea of running his own business, which now supplies chickens across Northeast Vermont to over 24 renters. Now in college, she tells me, he manages the deliveries when he comes home for school breaks.
I really like chickens and I really like agriculture, and it's just part of our life. So it is fun to share it with other people.
With about 70 chickens currently on the property, Hill is preparing for an influx of web orders in the next month. Renters who can choose between adopting 2 to 4 egg-laying chickens for the summer also receive a portable chicken coop, feed, water and food dishes, and instructions on how to care for the birds. Hill says her backyard flock hasn't been affected by the avian flu this season, but she will be reminding renters to take biosecurity precautions, which include changing shoes and keeping the birds close to home.
You could pick up something from, another farm or another property and bring it into your flock.
Hill's teenage daughter Natalie says while she helps out with the chickens, she prefers taking care of her cows, which she enters in contests across New England. Her lack of chicken love, she says, comes from her big brother's insistence that she's better at chasing down the feistier fowl.
He said I could run faster, but I think it was more he didn't want to.
The chickens will be delivered to their part-time owners starting in May and will come back to Hill's care in October. But if the owners fall in love with their chickens, she says, they always have the option to permanently adopt their feathered friends. Reporting from Greensboro, Jordan Barber, ABC 22 News.